Then the rejections started, one after another. And for a minute,
yeah, that's really good. I like the sound, I like the video, how everything syncs together. Alright, if you've been watching my channel or seen some of my videos, you know that I like using AI for video editing on top of creations as well, both in Power Director, also Canva are my main ones for AI type of things. But Flova.ai reached out to me. They said they wanted me to test out their platform, which I've never heard of before, but I want to see what it's all about just because it started saying some things about video creation here. So real quick, I'm going to go over to Gemini. I'm going to ask Gemini, what is Flova.ai? So Flova.ai, video creation generation platform. That already sounds good to me here. Some of the key features here: script writing, storyboarding, text to video, image to video. So similar things that you can do within both Power Director and Canva. There's sound things as well. So a lot of, digital and creative type of creation out of Flova.ai. So let's just get right into testing it here. So this is their homepage right here. Lots going on. From what I see so far, you kind of see it's the AI video partner right here. There's going to be a prompt area, which I'll put a prompt in just a little bit here. Over on the sidebar here, there's just a lot more options to do on top of the projects that are being created, and I guess some of the things that you're able to create. So if you're able to create these types of videos, that'd be sweet. Just look at kind of the quality that you see here. Really good ones. So Flova.ai hooked me up with a few credits here. You kind of see it's very similar to Power Director, where you have to use credits in order to create types, video AI creations here. So I do have credits, which is great here. Because I'm very new to using this platform, I think the one thing that really I want to do is trying to create a text to video prompt or file. So I'm going to make a simple little prompt right here. Over here, I'm ask Flova to create. I'm gonna write something real quick. All right, so here's my prompt right here. A story about a soccer player who's aspiring to play professional soccer in Europe. Really simple, really easy prompt there. I'm looking at these little options real quick here. So I don't need to attach any image, audio, video, anything like that. I just put a simple prompt in there. As far as the model here, it looks like there's different types depending on which type of output you want here. I want video. And so you have all these different ones, mostly seed dance, all these different versions of seed dance on top of a few of the other ones here. For now, I want to get into these models, but I'm just going to keep it simple. It's highlighted on seed dance 2.5 here, 4 to 30-second videos, as you can see here. So I'm going to leave it as is. Skill wise, again, I'm not sure what all these options are. I'm going to look into these later here. But it looks like you're gonna have like certain types of themes here: music to video, script to video here. I don't have a script, so I'm gonna keep it scripted short, so voice reference here. And so I'm just gonna leave it all as default here, and then asset library, nothing in there. From here, all I'm gonna do, hit generate, and let's see where it takes us. All right, within a few seconds, it's gonna pop up a second tab right here. You kind of see most of this is blank right here. Let's see if I can expand this out. Storyboard, all this key element shots, all these things right here. But kind of the magic right here is with this chat with the agent here. So this is my prompt, and Flova came back with kind of the AI agent saying, hey, now what type of video do you want to make? So there's different options: cinematic, 16:9, which is all my style here. I'm gonna click that real quick. But if you want to do these types of videos, like a TikTok, Instagram Reel, YouTube Short, there's 9:16, which is more the vertical orientation. And then there's this narrated inspirational story. Let's keep it cinematic short film for now and see where it takes us. I'm gonna hit send. So pretty much with this agent here, you're just kind of helping build the story. It's gonna kind of refine the story for you as far as asking questions back here. So you know it's gonna make the cinematic short film here. It's going to be short, but say to draft a script, it's going to create the script. I just need the player situation. So the situation I put here is a male player who's from the United States and just dreaming about playing in Europe. Very general again. Let's see where it takes us. So this is pretty cool. So after that response that I put here, the core story is set. I just need the creative treatment and dialogue. Okay, so there's a really cool one. Oh, I just defaulted that, but let me see. Grounded sports drama. realistic trying environments, match action, intense. Okay, so it's getting a little more specific now about like the practice environments, setbacks. This talks about match action, which matches like a game action, training montages. Actually, I'm gonna go with this first one right here, this grounded sports drama here. I'm gonna hit next. And then course story, I just need a creative treatment, dialogue language. Let's just do it in English here and hit send. So I'm just continuing to have a conversation in order to get the right video here. It's only about 3 or 4 questions in right now. It's coming up with kind of the script here, looks like. So right away, it's able to get the script, and let's see what else we have to do here. All right, so I put generate a final video, please, and hit enter or hit send, and let's see what it takes us. All right, so before I created the final video here, it's just kind of making sure that everything is set here. Video spec is ready. Beyond the pitch, which is what the name it gave it. 16:9 ratio here, 60-second long, English. Drama is beyond the pitch. European trial. Okay, that's cool. Let's say approve the storyboard, make the story more intense. Okay, the only thing that I changed here is rename the title to Make It Count, The Life Beyond the Pitch, and hit send. So what it's doing right now is kind of refinalizing everything, just because I wanted the title to change here. So just gonna go through the motions again. You kind of see on the left-hand side here, all the specs, the story summary, the script, a little bit about the overview of the script right here. And so when it's ready, all done. So everything looks to be done here. I'm just gonna put create the video, exclamation point, hit send. So right when I put create the video, it looks like it's finally going to create the output here. It's creating the media assets, creating the characters. You kind of see all these different characters it has here. There's one called Eli, which is this person, Marcus. So that's one for the player as well. So it's creating all these different types of medias here. And you kind of see on the left-hand side, really cool to see that it's just auto-generating right away, just creating the story here. So again, I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. Oh, right here, there's a message that says, how should we say, establish, upload, generate character voices. I just want to see what the voices that are created out of Flova. So I'm just gonna hit send here. And once the voices are set, let's see what happens after that. So the voices have been created. They just want me to approve the voices. Let's hear it real quick. Eli and Marcus, two characters here.
I got the trial.
Oh, that's good.
You gonna let one bad game decide who you are?
I like them, so I'm just gonna put approved and create and hit enter to go. So the video only creation part took about 10 minutes here. You kind of see there's 5 different shots here, a few seconds each, and it's gonna be over here on the media side. This is just the video itself without the sound or the voice, and so it just wants me to approve it, making sure it looks good here. So what I do is click on one of them here. I'll click on this guy right here, and you kind of see the shot here. Yeah, that's really good quality there for a generation. I do like it. Yeah, that was really nice there. I like that. Really good quality, really good sound. So let's approve it and get to the final. All right, so it is now officially done here. It did take some credits here, so it looks like about 30 credits were taken to kind of readjust everything here. So right here it says 60-second video here. There's a voiceover, there's video. Over here is kind of like the video editor part here. You kind of see where the video tracks are on top of the voiceovers here. Let me hit play and to see what it looks like here.
Back home, Europe felt like another world.
So real quick, what I noticed here is that background music is a little bit louder than I want it to be versus like kind of the voiceover here. So this right here is the music, background music. And so what I'm gonna do, hit that, hit it again, hit audio. It's no wonder why it's pretty high up there. I'm gonna move it down to 1. This kind of second track right here, these little clips right here, these are the voiceovers. Yeah, I just wanna make sure it's nice and high. So let me see, try that again. See if it's a little bit more balanced out.
Another world. But every morning.
Yeah, so I'm gonna play with that a little more, but you kind of hear the voiceover audio a little bit better here. And let me continue playing it.
Then the rejections started. One after another. And for a minute.
Yeah, that's really good. I like the sound, I like the video, how everything syncs together. Yeah, really impressive with this one here. It did take a little bit of prompting too. So again, I started all the way up here, a story about a soccer player who wants to play professional soccer in Europe. You can see all the different the questions I got back, how to do the scripting. Did I like the voices? Did I like the scene? So I think the agent really wants to make sure and really refine. It gets the storyboard and the output that you really want here. So it did take a little bit of time. I would say all in all, about 30 minutes back and forth between my prompting and then the question that came back through the agent here. But again, I'm really, really impressed with this one.
Back home, Europe felt like another world. But every morning, I trained like it was. Then the rejections started, one after another. And for a minute, I wondered if they were right.
You're gonna let one bad game decide who you are? Mom, I got the trial.
I knew you would. Now go show him.
The dream didn't get closer because I waited for it. It got closer because
I think there's a lot more to get into with Flova.ai. This is my first foray into it. I think I'm gonna go a lot more, try to test it out a bit more here. So please, if you like this one, feel free to sign up. There's gonna be some information down at the bottom there as far as credits that you get on top of sign up credits too. So check those out. I'm gonna dig a lot more into this tool here. It's really cool. I just like the high quality video that you get out of it on top of the voice. There is editing, so it's not 100% perfect when you just want to, like, no editing output. I did have to finagle some things around just to make sure the sound was good and everything flowed right. But yeah, really impressed so far here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.